It's the Muppets with another great moment in American history! Now closer, all ye people gather round and listen well. My friends and I have some of history's greatest tales to tell. Your hair will stand on end with all the history and such.
Unless, of course, you're bald like me, in which case, not so much.
Oh, hi there, Sam. It's Sam Eagle, everybody. Hey, tell us, Sam, what great American story are we sharing today?
Today we shall salute the midnight ride of Paul Revere.
Ah, a great story indeed. The ride of Paul Revere, a faithful knight that saved the day. He warned the founding fathers.
The British ruled their day.
In their redcoats, with their muskets, they were mean and scary.
But we won't speak about all that. This is wholesome through and through.
Right, let's bring out some friends to help us. Hey guys, that's your cue.
Great moments in history. Great moments in history. And this one features more.
And here's what you will take away in all your minds and hearts.
Great moments in history, but only the American.
Great moments in history,
but just the American parts. Greetings, my fellow Americans and others. As official historian of Liberty Square, I am honored to present to you a dramatic recitation of The Midnight Ride of Paul Revere by Henry Wadsworth Longfellow, with additional dialogue by Sam Eagle. Cue the patriotic music. Let us begin. Listen, my children. What is going on here?
You said chicken.
I said children, not chickens.
Oh,
Shoo, shoo.
we're going. Come on, girls.
Let us begin again. Listen, my children. And you shall hear of the midnight ride of Paul Revere.
Hi-ho, Paul Revere here.
It is moi, Paul Revere.
What?
Oh, good heavens.
Piggy, it's Paul Revere, not Paula.
But it's a starring role, so surely it must be meant for moi.
Paul Revere was a man.
Correction, he was not just a man. He was a son of liberty, along with John Adams, Sam Adams, and John Hancock.
Well, then what part is written for moi? I'm sorry, Piggy, but there's no part for you.
Oh, we'll see about that.
Sorry about that, Sam. Please continue.
Right, where was I? Yes. He said to his friend, if the British march...
Hang a lantern in the North Church Arch. With a watchful eye, look out for them.
To which his friend replied, no problem. I'll hang one if by land, and 2 if by sea,
Great.
and 3 if by monorail,
Fozzie.
and 4 if by pogo stick,
No,
5 if by
Fozzie.
unicycle,
Fozzie.
6 if by registered mail.
Fozzie!
Wow!
Fozzie, are you okay?
Yeah, the lanterns lightened my fall. Get it? Lanterns? Lightened? Just hang the lanterns from the church. 1 if by land, and 2 if by sea. That's good, because we only have 2 left.
2 lanterns. They're coming by sea.
Yes. Now Paul Revere upon his horse did ride. Oh, where is the horse?
Here you go, Kermit.
Gonzo, you were supposed to get a real horse, not a stick horse.
The real horse got sick.
Oh, is he a little horse? Does he need some cough stirrup? Do I know funny? I have had enough of this kind of nonsense.
What kind of nonsense would you prefer?
Would you get out of here? Oh, now where were we?
I am on a horse.
Yes. Paul Revere upon his stick horse did ride, and by the light of the silvery moon he cried. Oh, what is that music? What? By the light.
Not the dark, but the light.
Of the silvery Stop it.
Not the sun, but
Stop
the
it.
moon.
I want Stop it. That's
Not the fork,
I
but
will
the
not have
spoon.
you mark this historic moment with
Yeah.
this singing.
Acha.
Piggy, what are you doing?
I made some changes in the play. Now I have a musical number.
Well, you can't just write yourself into the play. That's not how it works.
Oh, okay. Then let's see how this works.
What?
Hi-ya! Well, I'd say that song was a hit.
Good thing the lanterns lightened his fall.
Ah, good one. Get out of here.
I'm going.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sam, what's next?
Right. By the light of the silvery moon, he cried.
The redcoats are coming! The redcoats are coming!
Where are the redcoats?
They're coming.
The redcoats are here. Gonzo, I said no chickens.
But I promised they could be in the show.
Piggy, you're ruining this play!
I am making it better. Get them out of here, Gonzo.
Piggy, enough already. You can't be a redcoat.
Fine. Then I'm the woman in the moon. Don't you dare say no. She's singing again. Oh,
Kermit, would you help me?
Gonzo!
getting the feathers all over me. I have
I can't help you, Gonzo. I'm trying to read your mic with Piggy.
You're supposed to have feathers. Quiet,
Come on.
everyone.
How do you like that?
You are ruining this great moment in history. Kermit, if this chaos continues, the show is history.
I think you're right, Fozzie.
How are we going to end it?
Like this.
Hooray!
Great moments in history, the ride of Paul Revere. Great moments in history, you saw it all right here. And here's what you will take away in all your minds and hearts. Great moments in history, great moments in history, great moments in history.
But only the American
Great moments in
heart.
history, but just the American parts. Bye, everyone. Hope to see you again soon. Oh, and to England, no hard feelings. You're still one of our best friends. So long, everybody.